Hey guys, I'm here in the master bath and we're really excited. We had the guys come in yesterday and they kind of added some stuff and dummied up the space. So I want to show you how cool this looks. Okay, so we are still kind of figuring it out. You can see the blue tape, and the blue tape is where the mirror, we're actually moving it over to the right and it's going to be centered. Actually where the blue lines are now. So everything's going to scooch just a little bit to the right, about 6-8 inches. And then these are the lights that are going to go between the mirrors and on either side. So that's going to be super gorgeous. Another mirror here. We're enlarging this window a bit. So that's going to be let in some more light. It's going to be super pretty. And then the tub will go here. Oh, looks so amazing. This is the commode room like we had talked about before. And now you can see our little linen closet. So cool stuff happening. More soon.